Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a discount code here in Clickfunnels. All right, so first up, go ahead and go to your dashboard, which is right here, and go to the left panel. Now go ahead and click on Add Apps. All right, just click on it and go ahead and look for discounts. Usually it's located under Other Apps right here. So I'm just going to click on it to add the app. All right, click on Add App. Now in here, you can go ahead and add in a new discount name. For example, test 50% off, like so. And the coupon code could be ASAP. Use the coupon code ASAP to get 50% off your first purchase, just like that. Okay. Now discount type, amount could be 50%, like so. And then it could be for all of your products or a specific product or a specific collection. Okay, so I'm just going to be leaving it to a specific product. Now here I have an ebook. Now I'm going to go ahead over to the right hand side. And in here you have the option to schedule the discount. For example, the start date and the end date. Okay, now it says here, do not apply to all invoices for an order. You can go ahead and tick this or leave it as is. All right. Once that's done, just hit on create discount and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, as you can see here, it now says active. Now the coupon code is here. You can go ahead and click on copy and send it wherever you want. All right. And there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.